Hey lovely, so there has been an update on B for the past 3 days, and I discovered that a lot of my community members were not on it, so I wanted to share it. So on your B, make sure you always come here to start mining. Yes, then you come here, you click on ping to remind those that's not mining to keep mining. Now please be consistent on B and boost your mining points. I'm not very consistent, so don't be like me anyway. So you come down here and you click on this particular place here that's showing explore. Come here and on this search icon, you're going to paste the link that you're going to be pasting the link that I'm going to be dropping in the description box or in the comment section of this video. Yes, then you come here, you paste that link just here. You paste that link just here, and then you click on the search, and it is going to run it just like this. Just wait for it to load. So after it has loaded successfully just as this, you're going to come here and you're going to see this place that is showing check in. Now this particular link is different from your own referral link, your normal referral link. You come down here, you click on this check in. So you need to claim BXP points every day. So it will pop up this tax bar. So for this tax bar, you need to come here and click on login. You must do this first. So once you click on login, it's going to load. Just wait for it to load. There are a lot of people already earning on this XP points, so you need to connect, do like a one time connection or one time login. So you see it's brought pop up this, and the next thing you need to do is you're going to click on authorize, and just hold on for it. Then you're going to click on authorize. The next pop up on your screen is going to be authorize. If you don't authorize it, you'll not be able to claim your XP points. So you see, now I'm going to click on authorize just like this. You can see my B network name there. So I'll click on authorize, and I've automatically authorized that. So to bring me back again to this dashboard, I'll click on that check in again. So it will bring me here, and you'll discover that I have 506.4 XP points because I've already authorized this to link to my B mining app, and so I'm not logging in again. So what I need to do is, you see that this login sign is no longer here. This is my BXP point. So I lost the original clip of this one, but I'm going to walk you through the process. So once you click on login and you authorize, after authorizing, you will need to do some daily tasks, and these include: number one, you need to come here and you need to click on check in. Once you check in every day, you are going to be getting 100 XP points for checking in. I need to like keep the streak going. Then after doing that, you'll be able to come here. This icon will change to a green tab, so you just claim it. Then for this one too, you click on it, it's going to take you to another dashboard. Then you'll come back again, you'll come back and click on the check in, and it will pop up this tax bar. Then you claim. Same thing with this too. Once you click on here, on this icon here, it's going to take it on that dashboard. You'll come back, you click on the check-in tab again to pop up this bar. You click on claim. You do that for this. So to get your referral link, you're going to come down here and click on check. Like I said, this referral link is very different from the original B referral link. So for every friend you bring, you receive 500 X points, then plus 20% of all their XP earnings. Yeah, so when you invite your friends, you're going to get 500 bonus. Your friend too is going to get 500 bonus, so it's a win-win. But you are going to get 20% of all their XP earning. Once they do tax every day, you earn 20% from there. So once you've invited friends, you come here, you click on claim. You're able to see the list of friends you have and be able to click on claim. So you need to come down here and copy your referral code and share it. Now, for those of you that are always complaining, I don't have anybody to share my referral link to, and all that, I have a link loot group. Sussy link loot group. Once you join the TG channel, you're going to be seeing the link to the link loot group. Yes, and then you can always paste the link there for others to sign up for your link. I usually pick some projects from that platform, so do yourself a favor to join that platform. Share a referral link so that people can join. So that's the latest updates about B. See you in another update. Bye for now.